Welcome. Today we are exploring StateFlow, a groundbreaking framework for pre-visualization in film and game development. Traditionally, generative AI creates videos in one go, which makes editing nearly impossible. StateFlow changes the game by treating pre-visualization as the construction of a persistent, editable 3D world. Instead of just generating pixels, it builds a structured 3D state that you can modify, evolve, and explore, providing the control that professional creators actually need. The core problem with current generative models is their lack of memory. When you ask for a scene, they generate a video, but they don't know where objects are or how they relate to each other in 3D space. This leads to identity drift, where characters change appearance, or spatial inconsistency, where objects jump around. Pre-visualization requires a stable foundation where you can refine layout, motion, and camera angles iteratively without the world falling apart. StateFlow solves this by maintaining an explicit 3D world state. Think of this as a digital table that stores every object's geometry, position, and semantic attributes. By keeping this record, the system ensures that when you move a camera or change an object state, the rest of the world remains consistent. This structured representation is the secret sauce that allows for complex, multi-step scene evolution. Construction starts with a clever dual-view approach. StateFlow generates a front-view image for visual detail and a bird's-eye view for spatial layout. Because these views might conflict, the system uses a VLM-based conflict resolution step to reconcile them. It identifies object counts and placements, ensuring the final 3D scene is physically plausible. This creates a solid foundation before any evolution or camera planning even begins. Once the world is built, StateFlow allows you to evolve it. Instead of regenerating the whole video, the system uses intent-guided structured state transitions. You provide a command, like make the spaceship explode, and the system updates only the relevant object records in the state table. This keeps the world editable and memory-aware, allowing for complex narrative events while preserving the rest of the scene's integrity. Finally, StateFlow provides state access through intelligent camera planning. Rather than just guessing a path, the system proposes a trajectory and then uses render feedback reflection. It renders the scene, checks for issues like collisions or poor framing, and then iterates to fix them. This ensures that your camera movements are not just creative, but also visually feasible and grounded in the actual 3D geometry of your scene. The results are clear. Compared to existing video generation methods, StateFlow produces significantly higher consistency in both subject and background. Quantitative benchmarks show it outperforms competitors in motion smoothness and spatial grounding. Whether it's a sci-fi lunar base or a desert combat scene, StateFlow maintains the structural integrity that filmmakers and game developers need, proving that a state-centric approach is the right path forward for generative pre-visualization. While StateFlow is a massive leap forward, it isn't perfect yet. The primary limitation is inference speed. Because it relies on multiple third-party models, it cannot currently support real-time interaction. However, as model deployment becomes more efficient, this will change. StateFlow sets a new standard for generative systems, moving us toward a future where AI acts as a true, world-aware partner in the creative process.